Xtool Metal Fab. This is a powerful laser machine designed to bring industrial-level performance into small workshops and garages. It is capable of cutting, engraving, and even removing rust from metal surfaces with impressive precision. Using a laser beam ranging from 80 to 100 watts, it can cut carbon steel up to around 0.4 inches thick, making it a versatile tool for both professionals and advanced hobbyists. Despite its compact form, it delivers clean and accurate results that would normally require much larger equipment. Its combination of precision, power, and accessibility makes it one of the most impressive modern fabrication tools available today. Airspade 5000. This is a specialized tool designed for precise excavation using high-pressure air instead of traditional digging methods. It is widely used in tree transplantation and landscaping, as it can remove soil without damaging even the most delicate roots. By directing a focused stream of compressed air, it breaks apart the ground efficiently while preserving surrounding structures. In just minutes, it can clear large volumes of soil with remarkable precision and speed. Its ability to replace manual digging with a faster and safer alternative makes it an essential tool for professionals working in sensitive environments. GRABO High Flow. This is a portable vacuum lifting tool designed to handle heavy materials with ease and precision. Weighing only a few pounds, it can lift loads of up to 220 pounds, making it incredibly efficient for construction and installation work. It uses a powerful suction system to securely grip surfaces such as glass, tiles, and stone, allowing a single operator to move objects that would normally require multiple people. The tool also features a digital display for pressure monitoring, ensuring safe operation. Its combination of lightweight design and impressive lifting capacity makes it a standout solution in modern handling equipment. Bulltec Power. This is a compact, multifunctional power tool designed to replace several traditional tools at once. Powered by a 24-volt motor, it delivers strong performance while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. It is capable of drilling, cutting, polishing, and sanding, making it highly versatile for a wide range of tasks. Weighing just over 1 pound, it offers a balance between portability and efficiency that appeals to both professionals and everyday users. Its ability to combine multiple functions into a single device makes it a practical and innovative solution for modern work environments. AnyDust. This is an advanced air extraction system designed to eliminate dust without the need for traditional filters or complex maintenance. Instead of relying on replaceable components, it uses a unique airflow design that separates particles by spinning them inside the unit, causing debris to stick to the walls and fall into dedicated collection chambers. The system divides waste into larger and smaller particles, making cleanup quick and efficient. It can also be controlled through a mobile app, adding convenience to its operation. Its innovative approach to dust management makes it one of the most unique solutions in modern cleaning technology.